investing a property in India is not just a financial decision. Hello everyone, welcome to NRI Legal World. I'm Advocate Sonia Bhatti, a legal assistant at NRI Legal World. In today's video, I will explain the role of Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016, which is worldwide known as RERA. It is an official authority in India for safeguarding NRI investments in India. In the past, many investors used to face problems such as delay in project completion, lack of transparency in buying properties in India, and misuse of funds by the real estate property developers. But now, RERA will protect you from the lame excuses of developers. It will protect you from lack of transparency, project delays, and fund diversions by the developers. Now builders cannot mislead you through bogus advertisement, and now RERA ensures that the builders must provide you the quality construction. Hence, RERA offers you a peace of mind while you invest your hard-earned money in India. RERA and its guidelines ensure that your investment is safe and secure in India. So today, we will understand how RERA regulates property developers and how it has made it easy for non-resident Indians to invest a property in India. One of the most important provisions of RERA is that all the real estate projects must be registered with their respective states' RERA authority. If a developer wants to sell a property, such as apartments, flats, or plots, then they first must register it with the relevant RERA authority, such as Punjab Real Estate Regulatory Authority or Haryana Real Estate Regulatory Authority, depending on the location of the property. Even if the buyers are investing in a property through a real estate agent, they should make sure that the real estate agent is registered under RERA. RERA has also introduced escrow mechanism to maintain financial discipline and to ensure that the buyer's money is protected and properly utilized for the project purpose only. Escrow mechanism is very similar to the escrow system followed by NRIs in many foreign countries such as the United States, Canada, Australia, and UK. As per this mechanism, the developers must deposit 70% of the funds into an escrow account, and this money can only be used for the construction and development of the project. RERA has made it mandatory for the developers to provide a strict timeline for project completion. The developers must commit to a specific completion date while registering the project. If they fail to deliver the possession to the buyer on a committed timeline, then the buyers are entitled to withdraw from the project. The buyers can even receive interest compensation for the delay, or they can file a complaint before the RERA authority. This provision is particularly beneficial for NRIs who rely on developers' promises while investing in a property. Another major benefit of RERA is that all the information is now available on RERA's official online portal. NRIs can easily access information such as project details and updates, number of land units sold, construction progress, legal approvals and compliance. RERA has also established a dedicated dispute resolution system for the real estate matters. If the buyers face any issue such as delay in project completion or possession, misrepresentation by the developer, structural defects, or violation of the terms of an agreement, the buyers can file a complaint before the RERA authority, or they can even appeal in the Real Estate Appellate Tribunal. This is extremely useful for NRIs who find it difficult to attend long and lengthy court proceedings in India. RERA ensures that the builder-buyer agreements are fair and balanced. Earlier, the developers used to market the properties based on the super built-up area. which included common spaces such as lobbies, amenities, staircases, and parking area. This used to create a lot of confusion regarding the actual usable space within the apartment. The Act now mandates that properties should be sold based on the carpet area, which refers to the net usable floor area within the apartment. RERA has transformed the real estate sector by introducing transparency, accountability, and financial discipline. It is advised to always seek professional guidance before making any investment. For more information, you can contact NRI Legal World. Thank you.